Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're making a delicious and easy lemon chicken recipe that's perfect for a weeknight dinner. To start, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, season your chicken breasts with salt and pepper and heat up some olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Place the chicken in the skillet and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they're nicely browned. Once the chicken is browned, remove it from the skillet and place it in a baking dish. In the same skillet, add some minced garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, add some chicken broth, lemon juice, and a little bit of honey to the skillet, and stir until everything is combined. Pour the sauce over the chicken in the baking dish, and bake in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes. Garnish with some fresh parsley and lemon slices, and serve with your favorite sides like roasted vegetables or rice. And that's it. This lemon chicken recipe is quick, easy, and delicious, perfect for a busy weeknight meal.